Hello guys, today I'm going to show you something I've done. So as you can see on the gate, we have a proper door closer now. It might rust, but this is like a Chinese made door closer, so I don't really care. But it works quite well. Here it is. As you can see, our latch. But yeah, that's the door closer. I'll give you another cycle. Oh yeah, the wind sometimes pushes it, which will probably cause it to leak, but yeah, it's just on a gate really, so I don't really care. Yep, there goes the wind again. 2-1 from this side. Well, there you go, that's better. Because there's no wind now. Is that even gonna latch? Or is the wind pushing it back? I think it's pushing it back. There you go. It's not working now. It should do. I think it's just the wind doing it. There you go, that was a perfect latch. Yeah, now I'll try this side because the wind's pushing it. God, it's doing it again. Every time I go to the side. There we go. Okay, never mind. I wonder if it's me doing it. Nope. Anyway, I'll do one more, I'll do one more for you guys, and then I'm gonna give you a cycle of the arrow inside. Anyway, if we go back inside, we have the Arrow 303 Arrow Series 300 303U. Still going good. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.